Welcome to the Eggplant Odyssey. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the rich history and incredible health benefits of this remarkable vegetable. In gardens deep where shadows dance, the eggplant blooms, a silent trance. Its purple hue, a royal stance, a vegetable of sweet romance. The eggplant, also known as aubergine, in many parts of the world, has a fascinating historical background. Originating from the Indian subcontinent, where it first began being cultivated around the 5th century BC. This glossy, purple beauty made its way across continents through trade routes, leaving its mark on various cuisines. From ancient Indian texts to medieval Arab manuscripts and Renaissance paintings, the eggplant has been a muse for artists and a staple in culinary traditions around the globe. From tender seed to fruit's embrace, it grows with patience, time to grace. The eggplant was brought to Africa by Buddhist missionaries in the 7th century AD. It arrived in Italy during the Renaissance through trade routes from the Middle East. As more varieties arrived from Asia, the eggplant flourished in Mediterranean cuisine. Eventually, the eggplant made its way to the Americas via European explorers and traders in the 16th century. Thomas Jefferson is credited with helping popularize eggplant in America after being introduced to Mediterranean eggplant dishes in France. The term eggplant has puzzled etymologists for centuries, as it seems to have no apparent connection to eggs or plants. Legend has it that in 18th century England, small, white egg-shaped varieties of this fruit were commonly cultivated. Ah, behold this marvelous fruit. Its shape resembles that of a chicken's egg. Across various cultures, this vegetable goes by different names, reflecting its diverse culinary heritage. From aubergine, in French, to melanzana, in Italian, the eggplant has a multitude of names that reflect its rich cultural significance. A colorful array of eggplants in different shapes and sizes, symbolizing the diversity of this versatile vegetable, and so, the eggplant enigma continues to intrigue and delight, inviting us to explore its flavorsome mysteries. For thousands of years, it has been cultivated for its unique taste and incredible health benefits. Let's take a look at the story behind this humble purple vegetable and why you should be eating more of it. Health benefits. Eggplant contain vitamins C, K, and B6, as well as minerals like potassium, manganese, and folate. High in antioxidants. Eggplants are packed with antioxidants, particularly Nasunin, chlorogenic acid, and anthocyanins, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants may also help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and B6 in eggplants are beneficial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber helps lower cholesterol levels. Weight loss. Eggplants are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. The fiber helps keep you feeling full for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake. Digestive health. The fiber content in eggplants can aid in digestion and promote regular bowel movements. May improve brain health. The anthocyanins in eggplants have been linked to improved cognitive function and may help protect against age-related mental decline. Help manage blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that certain compounds in eggplants may help regulate blood sugar levels. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in eggplants may contribute to healthy skin. Applying eggplant extract topically or consuming eggplants regularly may help improve skin texture and appearance. From grill to plate, its journey told, in culinary tales, it unfolds. A symphony of flavors bold, in dishes cherished, stories hold. Recipe: roasted eggplant and chickpea salad. Ingredients: 1 large eggplant, diced into 1-inch cubes. 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 red bell pepper, diced. 1 small red onion, thinly sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Juice of 1 lemon. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine the diced eggplant, chickpeas, diced red bell pepper, sliced red onion, and minced garlic. Drizzle the olive oil over the mixture and sprinkle with ground cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Toss everything together until the vegetables and chickpeas are evenly coated with the spices and oil. Spread the seasoned vegetables and chickpeas in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet. Roast in the preheated oven for 25–30 minutes, or until the eggplant is tender and lightly browned, stirring halfway through the cooking time for even roasting. Transfer the roasted vegetables and chickpeas to a serving bowl. Drizzle with fresh lemon juice and sprinkle with chopped fresh parsley. If desired, garnish the salad with crumbled feta cheese before serving. Serve the roasted eggplant and chickpea salad warm or at room temperature as a healthy and flavorful side dish or light main course. Enjoy! Oh, eggplant fair, in shades profound, in dishes global, you are found. Now it is time for my jokes. Why was the eggplant always the life of the party? Because it could excite even the toughest eggs to crack up. Small egg asked large purple, "Eggplant, why do you have almost the same name? There are no similarities." Eggplant, I did not make the name, blame the Englishmen, they probably were short on names as always. Small eggs, yeah, well, what can I say? Great minds think alike. Or maybe it's just a coincidence. Eggplant, you're trying to ride on the coattails of my excellent reputation. Small eggs, oh please, Mr. Big and Purple. I was here long before you started strutting around with your grandiose size and vibrant color. Large eggplant, well, I may be big, but I've got substance. What do you have other than being small and egg-shaped? Small eggs, excuse me? I'll have you know, I may be small, but I'm packed with protein and nutrients. Plus, I come in a variety of colors, not just purple. But let's face it, everyone knows the real star of the show is the big, bold eggplant. You're just a small fry in comparison. Small eggs, small fry? Hey, at least I'm not trying to hog the spotlight like you. And besides, I'm versatile. I can be boiled, poached, scrambled, fried, you name it. But let's not forget who's the main attraction in dishes like eggplant parmesan or baba ganoush. Small eggs, fine, fine, you win this round, Mr. Big Shot Eggplant. But don't forget, without us eggs, breakfast wouldn't be the same. Large eggplant, fair point, small eggs. Maybe we're not so different after all. Now, shall we put our differences aside and whip up something egg-citing together? Large eggplant, absolutely. How about an eggplant and egg frittata? Large eggplant, do you know who came first, the chicken or the egg? The answer is, a large purple eggplant came first. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my nutritious, healing next episode. Let us praise the eggplant's worth, in gardens tended, fields of earth. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.